This is David from Swimming Pool Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you the Primate Pool Tools Tri-Pole or P3X retrofitted lock kit. In this video, I'm going to show you the Primate P3X retrofit lock. And this will allow you to add a second level lock to the third pole extension. Currently, you have this V-clip here to extend out the third section. And you can find the instructions online by scanning the QR code inside the packet. Included, of course, is the lever lock, and then you have this tape here, and I'll show you how to use this tape. And the grip on this pole is pretty old. I'm going to go ahead and change it. And the classic grip is sold separately. We're going to leave this particular V-clip intact. This is the one that you're going to remove, so I'm going to push down, pull the section out. You want to clean this area. You want to take a ruler and you want to make sure you put the tape within the first 4 inches, and you're going to cover the hole here. So I'll go ahead and do that. You want to make sure when you put it on that this spacer stays in place. So it should be in this position when you slide it on. So you don't want to twist it when you put it on the pole. And now you want to remove the screw. Let's get this off also. You want to make sure you push this as far onto the second section as possible. So now the third section has this lever lock to extend it and to close it. That's how you install the P3X retrofit lock. And even if your pole is newer, you can still do the upgrade. And of course, all the new poles come with 2 lever locks. And if you own any version of the P3X before March 2024, you'll be able to use this retrofit lock system on your pole. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.